Finally, Moshe and Daiki is back as the host of Uyangtan.na and Twitter is mad excited. Mzansi realized they didn't know how much they missed Uyangtan.na until it returned to their screens last night, but you only need a quick scan on Twitter to understand why that is. The dating show helps many people suffering from Guebaba to face their crushes and ask if they would consider dating them. Or even better, if the feeling is mutual for them. Twitter's fave, Moshe and Daiki, is the host of the show, and the beginning of season 3 made Mzansi wish the show could go on longer. Why? Because it looks like it's going to be a very litty situation every Wednesday. This was also us when the show began. All for good reason, because just a few minutes into the show, we already had a bucket load of memes filling up the timeline like Kasper Nyovest fills up stadiums.